Hello, sir. My name is Neha Soni, and I would like to express my gratitude for providing me this opportunity to extend my views on alternate fuels under this presentation under the guidance of Dharmanshu, sir. The content of presentation will be as follows: introduction to alternate fuel, selection of alternate fuel, why we chose alternate fuel, different types of alternate fuel, alcohol, vegetable oil, biodiesel, hydrogen, CNG, electricity, and finally the conclusion. Introduction: conventional fuel. Conventional fuels are those fuel which occurs naturally. They are in limited quantity, so they are on the edge of being extinct. Example for conventional fuel are coal, petroleum, etc. Alternate fuels. These are also known as non-conventional fuel. These are material or substance that can be used as fuel other than the conventional one. These are highly oxidized, sulfur-free, environmental friendly. Example: alcohol, vegetable oil, biodiesel, natural gas, etc. The increase in energy consumption, particularly in the past several decades, has raised fear of exhausting vital natural resources. Rapid industrialization and massive growth in the population has increased the dependence on the natural fuels. Currently, approximately 90% of our energy requirements are met by fossil fuels. Studies also suggest that if we exploit at the same rate, the coal reserve will be depleted in the next 200 to 300 years. So, it is important to engage in research and development of alternate fuels. Selection of alternate fuels. Alternate fuels are selected on the principle of 3 E's. That is, they should be efficient, they should be economical, as well they should be eco-friendly. Why we choose alternate fuel? So these are the few reasons for choosing alternate fuel other than the conventional one. First, conventional fuels are going to run out. Second, to reduce pollution. The use of alternate fuel considerably decrease harmful exhaust emissions such as carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, etc. to protect against global warming. According to commonly accepted scientific theory, burning fossil fuel was the causing temperatures to rise in the Earth's atmosphere. Though global warming continues to be just a theory, a lot of people across the globe are the belief that discovering sources of cleaner burning fuel is an essential step towards enhancing the quality of our environment. To save money, alternate fuel can be less expensive to use, not just in terms of fuel itself but also in the terms of long service life. Biodegradable and non-toxic, that is, they can degrade easily and are less harmful. Easy handling and storage, rural development, to reduce the import and export cost, meeting the current energy global demand. The different types of alternate fuel are available are alcohol fuels, water gasoline mixture, vegetable oil, biodiesel, hydrogen, CNG, electricity. First, we will discuss for the alcohol. First, in alcohol portion, we will discuss in ethanol. Ethanol is a renewable domestically produced alcohol fuel made from plant materials such as corn, sugarcane, or grasses. Using ethanol can reduce oil dependence and greenhouse emissions. Alcohol-based alternative fuels are produced by fermenting and distilling starch crops or cellulose. Most commonly used to increase octane and improve the emission quality of gasoline. Alcohol is an excellent clean burning fuel and has higher octane rating, but high ethanol blend present a problem to achieve enough vapor pressure for the fuel to evaporate and spark the ignition during the cold weather. Advantages: reduce combustion emission, creates byproduct which are also usable, energy balance fuel. Some disadvantages: corrosive fuel, costly, and depends on the quality of growing season, which means if there will be a drought, the production will be less, hence there will be no ethanol, so we could not power any vehicle to ethanol powered fuel. The table shows annual fuel ethanol production by country from 2017 to 2013, which suggests that US has increased tremendously in ethanol production. Methanol. Of all fuel being considered as alternate to gasoline, methanol is the most promising. Methanol is also known as wood alcohol, and it could be used in alternate fuel in flexible fuel vehicles. The benefits include lower emission, higher performance, and lower risk of flammability than gasoline. Methanol can be easily made into hydrogen for hydrogen fuel cells vehicle in the future. Methanol is extremely corrosive, requiring special material for delivery and storage. Vegetable oil. Rudolf Diesel designed a diesel engine in 1984 to run on peanut oil. Some extract from Diesel's speech in 1912 says that the use of vegetable oil for engine fuel may seem insignificant today, but such oils may become in the course of time as important as petroleum and coal tar products of the present time. Most of the diesel car engines are suitable for the use of straight vegetable oil, also commonly called pure plant oil, with certain modification. The viscosity and surface tension of SVO must be reduced by preheating it, typically by using waste heat from the engine or electricity. Otherwise, poor automatization, incomplete combustion, and carbonization may result. One common solution is to add a heat exchanger and an additional fuel tank for the petrol diesel or biodiesel blend, and to switch between this additional tank and the main tank of straight vegetable oil. The engine is started on diesel, switch over to vegetable oil as soon as it wrapped up, and switch back to diesel shortly before being switched off to ensure that there will be no vegetable oil remains in the engine or fuel line when it is started from coal again. Biodiesel. The cycle shows that there is a feed of biodiesel, that is plant, because biodiesel is a fuel derived from plants or animals. Then it is transported to biorefineries, which process and convert it to petrol like product, which is distributed to other petrol pump and finally to the end user. Biodiesel is a domestically produced renewable fuel that can be manufactured from vegetable oil, animal fat, or recycled restaurant greases. Biodiesel is a safe, biodegradable, and reduces air pollutants such as particulates, carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, and air toxic. Biodiesel can also be used in its pure form, but it may require certain engine modification to avoid maintenance and performance problem. It is need to store in heat tank in colder climate to prevent the fuel from gelling. Importance of biodiesel: it is environment friendly, it is clean burning fuel as well as renewable fuel. It doesn't require any engine modification. It increases the engine life. It is biodegradable and non-toxic, easy to handle and store, completes the CO2 cycle, and is sulfur free. Next is hydrogen, which could be used as alternate fuel. The cycle shows that we get hydrogen through the sun rays, and we then do electrolysis so that oxygen is byproduct and hydrogen is used in the lead cell, which could be used in the vehicles for hydrogen fuel cells, and the byproduct will be H2O, that is no harmful emission. Hydrogen is an environmental friendly alternative to fossil fuel, and they can be used to power just about any machine needing energy. Hydrogen is abundant in our environment. It is stored in water, hydrocarbons, and other organic matter. Advantages of hydrogen: emits only water vapor, assuming there is no leakage of hydrogen gas. It can store up to 3 times as much energy as conventional natural gas produced domestically and is environment friendly. Disadvantage is still cost a considerable amount of money to run a hydrogen vehicle, highly flammable, difficult to storage. Next is compressed natural gas. It is much safer than other fuel in the event of a spill because natural gas is lighter than air and disperses quickly when released. Advantages for using CNG: it can be used efficiently and safely stored, more environmental friendly due to its low emission after burning. Most of the natural reserves of natural gas field are underutilized. Improved lubrication because of cylinders are not washed by petrol excess. Disadvantages: it does create greenhouse gas emission. It is volatile and can be dangerous if not handled or transported properly. They are not as gloomy as gasoline car. High overall cost of a natural gas vehicle compared to gasoline power vehicle. Electricity. Our proposed form of alternative fuel that has been widely talked about has been electric power. This is domestically produced renewable source. Electricity could be used in the form of onboard rechargeable battery to power an electric motor. Some advantages: it gives quiet running of a vehicle, instant torque from the electric motor, there will be no emissions from the car, cost per mile is fraction of that for a gasoline powered car. Widespread electric infrastructure, electricity can be partially derived from renewable sources. Disadvantage: long recharging time and expensive. So the conclusion from this presentation can be drawn as follow. The alternative fuel sources are environment friendly as compared to fossil fuel. Second, by using alternate sources we can reduce air pollution, which is the cause of many deadly diseases. Using alternative fuel help to reduce global warming. Throughout the year, these sources are available without affecting the environment. And finally, it helps us to conserve natural resources. Thank you so much.